yarny friends, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today I've been tagged by the lovely Charlette from Crochet at My House for the tag, which is, and excuse me, I've got my notebook, travel crochet knit, travel crochet or knit tag. And there's 10 questions, so let's get to it, shall we? Do you take your project with you? Obviously when I'm traveling. If hubby is driving, which if we go any long distances, then yes, I do. Do you crochet or knit in the car? Yes, I crochet or knit. I did when I used to knit a lot, I always took my knitting. And obviously with the pandemic, I think we had to travel somewhere. We travelled to a couple of hours away to pick up a Christmas present, and yes, I took my crocheting then. So that I've crocheted in the car and knitted in the car. So number 3, what hooks or needles do you take with you? I take whatever needles or crocheting hook I'm using, because I always believe that, well, for me, I always use the same hook. If I've started a project on a particular hook, I've finished the project on that hook. For me, it's to do with the tension and keeping the rhythm going as well. So even if I'm using my my clovers, I will take the clover. Number 4, what project do you prefer to take with you? A big one or a small one? Well, it all depends on what I'm doing. As you all know, I have quite a few whips on the go at one time, and I think I would take the smaller project with me. If we're just going traveling there and coming back, you know, in a day, then I'd take a smaller project. But then again, it all depends on what the projects are that I'm working on at that particular time. Is there any way you wouldn't crochet or knit? Not really. I wouldn't crochet in a restaurant or a cafe. That's a definite no-no. Apart from that, I can't think of anything. I wouldn't crochet or knit on an aeroplane, because obviously you can't take your knitting needles or your hooks on the well, I suppose you could take your hooks. It all depends what the allowance is at the moment, because, you know, I mean, when I was in my 20s and I travelled to Turkey, I did crochet. I did actually. Did I knit on the plane or not? No, I don't think I did. But I know some people did crochet, but obviously with the way things are after the 9/11, you weren't allowed to take scissors or sharp implements on the plane, so that'd be a no. What is your favourite place to crochet or knit? Well, obviously it's here in my crochet nook, all surrounded by all my lovely yarn and all my other bits and bobs that go with my crocheting. So that was an easy one. And I do enjoy knitting or crocheting downstairs in front of the television of an evening in the company of my hubby, while I am, you know, while we're watching a movie and that. Number 7, do you have a bag you like to use for your projects when you travel? Yes, I do. I like this bag. It's quite spacious, and I always take a notions bag anyway, so as you can see, there's quite a bit of space in there. Doesn't look it, but there is. Yeah, this is my favorite bag, because it's just easy to grab and pick up, and I know I always keep a notions bag in this bag anyway. So this is the bag, and I'm proud to say this is one I made with fat quarters. And then do you like to take a paper copy or one on a tablet or phone? Well, it all depends. It all depends. If I was knitting, then it would be the pattern. Crocheting, I think it would be either on my tablet or phone. And but if I had a paper copy, then I would take that as well. So either or, really. Number 9, would you or have you taken crocheting hook or needles on a plane? One time, yes, I used to. Now, not so much, not since 9/11. So, and then finally, where is the weirdest place you have crocheted or knitted on your travels? Now, that's a bit of a difficult one for me. I suppose the beach. I think. Because when I go to the beach, I like to sunbathe and read. So I don't think I've really knitted or crocheted in anywhere weird, to be honest. I can't think of anything. Nothing comes to mind. So thank you so much, Charlotte, for tagging me. Now I'm going to tag 4 people, and they are Ladybird Loves, Lisa, the Knitting Turnpike, that's a lovely Gina, Brenda the Newbie Crocheter, and Granny Square Ursula. So I hope you do take part in this tag, and thanks ever so much for watching. I'll be back real soon. Take care, stay safe. I know we've come off, a lot of us have come off lockdown now, but please do continue to take care of yourselves and be aware of social distancing and washing your hands and wearing your masks, and just take care of yourselves. Stay safe, be kind, not only to others but to yourself too. And I'll catch you all again real soon. Take care. Bye for now.